ensas ana aga na asị egwu onye ka na ndị ka appeal na live audio live video mewe announcement si ha ana akọọlụ na si je gba Murtala Mohammed ọkụ si je Murtala Mohammed Airport Lagos ọkụ si je gba bọs ọkụ je gba nke ọkụ na Lagos iwe gba ihe agba ọkụ na Lagos onye kpatara ndị Yoruba na sino yama organize the ihe. So if not those strategic people you need partnership with on your agitation, you are of the second Igbo CDA. After that 2020, this thing Yoruba will be more aggressive on Igbo. Who caused it? Nnamdi Kanu. On as known as on Igbo, they also on Igbo. On what basis? Get the issue also going on as known. Get about to do Fulani. In the Fulani na Iseke no. Man had a company Iseke. The Fulani na Lilu no. Ebe abia occupy abu the a part of Igbo land in the Jegono for criminality. That Anambra South ISIS Habia with a camp. Baby the Jegono, how we maybe is booty, with body, no kidnapping, no empo. I wish some of us. Because I create go feel more than a kunzi a short talk down. I'm not mad because some I put here and Igbo can make it and again they are victims, their blood they back. And I can do and put it in and come over about now where I am. Only be hand on do to hand, mama because in the Kuliabo, Afghan cast woman came one boy Habu, I'm close to Abiam almost Namaka Abia and God just pulled me out.
Wow.
So Afghan most of people know we have and what are they? I don't they follow broadcast there. Only see them on as they be see 2000. If they not see they can go against you na Nigeria, Wakita, not Nigeria. The moment if by little terrorism, you will hide in place. Unless Monofia Kianezo. A moment with terrorism now announce or do pronounce if you are doing a hotel, Monada. I am because under Terrorism Act, global world come together to fight it. After 9/11 attack in the United States, the world united against terrorism. That's why Adeyinka showed me. Adeyinka grandson was jailed in UK, or a UK citizen. Can you hear the jail lawyer? No, na si buje fundibo, so kuri ndibo. Ono no UK post yeni ne busu kuri ndibo. Ndibo na Nigeria. Akudi go ndibo ona aturi anga. Nnamdi Kanu no name ebido go akwado go kweni tu anga ebido case na UK before bop na UK. Before Nigeria we 3K to Kenya we kidnap where police.
Right?
Yeah. And the point, because under that act, na territory can threaten those of you commit to go to offense. So, to answer your question, what I'm angry with Nnamdi Kanu, the violent content.
I know. I just want to take land there so that I will be taking the questions one after the other, because I know you have a lot to say. And then everything. Nnamdi Kanu, do you believe he's a terrorist?
For me to answer that question, I will first of all define what is terrorist.
Go ahead.
What is terrorism? Terrorism is the act of killing people, act of causing death on people, unwanted, as in don't worry, as in can be defined from layman perspective. From my own layman perspective, you can just define it. Now, if you define it, you will just act here or suit to the definition. Now, what was his actions that put him in that danger zone? That's why they couldn't defend him. They are looking for technicality. They were not defending the allegation because they cannot. Because Kanu made the defense very difficult for his defense team. Why? Because here in a video, a record, video. It's not a mistake. Now the first one, you will get another video. If not the consistency with the call for killing, and in a real terrorism, Uneje open over a prison and release 108 something hardened prisoners. That is act of terrorism. na video. Sisi je betisi mmadụ 2000 ka enwe nye ofu onye isi onyezi o isi ọkụkụ ọbụgodo ọkụkụ ọrụ mmadụ nwe ọkụkụ ahụ then ndị ahụ enwere target ha bụ onye ọbụla hapụ ha mechesi na ha butenwu 30 one of them ejidere onye amị so not 30 ka ha butenwu for the purpose of iko nsọ 30 bụ ndị be mmadụ what is terrorism. Now next iwe sị ha dị echewa ndị polisi na afọ na polisi okay na police ha gbuo police we say mba ha egbune na video ha egbune police just ogbugbu na ha court make sure na ha court ha head na publicly na ha court office ha na ya egbe we gbuo police as at the last count check o egbu no 128 policemen ka ha gbuo within that year ha mere ya 37 military men. And I go on the vigilant group, and the others. What is terrorism? Then we be assisted attack, assisted bomb Motor Mohammed Airport. In a video, I didn't hear us more in a video which Motor Mohammed Airport. A web BRT boss on the Habaloko. A web BRT, new BRT boss, Lagos, we buy your capital. We may be property into my businesses in the money. What is terrorism? So when you look at some of these things, you're asking yourself, is he a terrorist? He exhibited all the actions of terrorists with enough evidence. That makes one a terrorist.
Their argument is that Nnamdi Kanu did not carry gun. Onyia aforiaka ojiegbe, aforiaka obumma. Not just ihe okwu n'ọnụ. Just like his lawyer said, that means if somebody don't be silly, they will go and jail you for treason and terrorism. You know, na oburu egbe na enwere onye afọ ọgbagbu as a person. Can you address that?
Thank you. Can you okay, ma'am, in my 9/11.
Yes, Osama bin Laden attack on North and South.
Osama bin Laden in the US that day. At first, Osama bin Laden was not in the US, but he masterminded it. And he was the prime target of the United States and the world. Why? Nobody saw him shooting. Nobody saw him in the plane, the hijacked plane that caused it. What is the target? Is the man behind it. You get? So the man that plotted and incite, that has already radicalized his members and been inciting them to go and act, is the key figure. So saying that that they did not see him there is immaterial. For the fact that they have influenced another person to act, you are capable. Oh, thank God that they are not arguing that they did not see. But that's telling you that for the idea, he have all the funny.
Some of them are saying that their audio were actually doctored.
No, nobody has said it. They would have said it in court.
Okay.
Checking on doctored audio.
I think I heard it from the lawyer somehow during his interview that they presented some doctored audio. I think it was one of the barristers.
He opened the defense. That is for social media. He was entertaining.
Yes, I heard him.
Because he has all these chances to put a defense and say that this audio was doctored. Because technology is easy. He knows if you put something to check if it was doctored, and it will prove that it was not. The problem with Kanu was that he could not control himself, and he has sacked everybody that could have control him. So the moment he sacked Uchemefo and all that and tagged them and started abusing the intellectuals that question some of actions of Obaha intellectual, and the think tank now left. He become also the Oku and he started abusing. He don't know the legal implication. Not just in Nigeria. Because the legal implication is like that everywhere. Like I told you, he would have been jailed since the UK because of that inciting statement. Nke Adeyinka grandson, Ebo Madu, UK citizen. So the guy, no nation all over the country that will be you will stand and be announcing that they should kill their police. And now Fanny with their police now abandon their police station. Can I call that? It's not possible. And you know they will tell them when Bona na the guy possibly protect an Igbo. Malo na anyitalafu we rebuild Oba after the war. When they did the line Owebo after 50, 60 years, Owebia Kwabiabulu, he had been an Igbo. And they think that the war was a mistake. The civil war was a mistake in the Igbo. Igbo shouldn't have gone to the war in the first place. It is only be a line.
You agree with that?
Yeah?
You agree that the civil war was a mistake?
Big time mistake, because before the war, Igbo, Eastern Nigeria was the fastest growing economy in the world. Fastest growing economy in the world before the war. Under M.I. Opara as Premier of Eastern Nigeria. We are, as in other part of the region, Nabia and Igbo can do Igbo. We are doing well, growing fast. Industrialization, economically, doing so well. And in civil servant, I do na army, I do na police, I do na custom, I do everywhere. And I do bright, name of man. None business, none economy, none industry. As in, name of more potentials. Oya kaziki jina agbo ojukwu. Apo as na egbu ndị Igbo na 30,000 ugwu asa yes o mana agha abụrụ ya abụrụ option na agha abụọkwa ọgụ ndị na-agbalụ nwa ya. Chelu mana just like radicalized youth ndị nke radical name. Ana asị mba ya asị jewe ojukwu ya anyị mmanya ya Igbo ka ịgba bogo ha ntụ ndị Hausa. Atie na agha bụ egbe. Ogbe ya na power strategy. America as big as they are. Don't go to war, no matter how small a country is, without doing their work well. How? Looking for collaborators, country that will support them. Hatoa partners. Man, they are use their ground. They are doing work on the side we be at the country. You are rich before Haji. You don't just but I don't blame him. He was 20-something years then. So maybe youthful exuberance. Because it could have been managed. Okay, on declare state of Biafra, they will mad at that. The federal government with all their partners, global partners, we fight you and bring you back. What happened? They did boundary adjustment program. We will look purposefully for us. We will every know within another state. K is Eastern Nigeria. Go on. If you declare Biafra, I will divide Eastern Nigeria. You kill Efa. You can do family Kenya. You need the more you got now. Baru. You don't have to see no about Kenya. How long in Kenya rivers? Ebema, the part with oil, the Kenya rivers. Party with oil, and only will be okay. May bundle adjustment would be economically stranded. Again, that's the cause of the war. The next thing MLB after the war announced war. I will say announce some general something. Only can not announce or not you negotiate your prime minister. You need prime minister and head of economy during the war. We even what we before we are Zika and politics. What we say we want to do what we make one another work and the announce for indigenization policy. Yeah, the Nigeria go to come in Dutch and well. Ndi Igbo maka the policy. Mamaka impact. Manandi wage level. Here you have I'm sure be 20 pounds. So I am going to be I am going to be going share. Ndi Hausa amara maka share. Ndi Yoruba we go share ni we those multinational companies. Because of the war. So how did the war benefit us? So another kumaka no round mandebu na ndi kwashoka na yebu na Togo and Congo, Gabon and Ozara there.
Yes.
So what I'm saying, war didn't benefit us. And we don't need it again. We are rebuilding. I rebuild Jebedi. We are still rebuilding. So tomorrow, when you see a bossy, no, you see, na high about mad water. Killing war gigi. Making about water. You are just putting our people at risk. And now, okay, oh, Madiga, Bobby. Nobody here emotion, nobody here unzobu. You don't need it. You don't need it. If we have sense, now to what that thing. Come what's against you? Here and some marginalization, all political marginalization and economic marginalization. Yes, here and But if you look at deeply, the average Igbo man is not worse hit. Have you been to North? Have you been even the remote area of Yoruba land? They have power space. Have you been there? I've been to some of these states. If you've been to those areas, you find out that your people are not worse hit in terms of individual. Probably due to our economic activity, individual effort. But the point is that we are not worse. So why are you putting our people? Open it on agent at the Madego now about Biafra. You know that you go fine. Mana, mama, what you do? You do to the why is you? Also, if you are not about visual Biafra, if that's okay, the ban you know, we are going to all the ways for economic development. Kai lower the way. Kai partner with state. I encourage that pledge of Mountain State government. And in diaspora, have is you Kalba infrastructure. Today, thank God, Nakabuari na Apple, no sign a deal, making a way about exclusive, not an exclusive bill. Private sector and state can go into the way these days. So thank God, Nakabuari na Apple, he signed a law, energy bill, decentralizing the energy. So today, state can generate, state can give license to bring more and generate it. Now, within the area. So why are we not working on these things? We have gas. Can't we put pressure for the gas to allow us to pipe gas? We have the gas. Why are we not putting pressure in our AKK, Adokuta Kano gas pipeline that is piping to north, which is Onyia, have the contract, is doing the contract, worth $2.5 billion. Why is this now? Oga within Southeast. These are the areas that you should be talking about. What they say in the Biafra, what they Biafra. Stop deceiving our people and causing trouble. And if you are what you was not blowing Igbo. Now the word Igbo the cause. If only say don't come. If ona no na za what achazi ho na ememe. Also na Igbo IB no stop or use Igbo. Igbo the cause. Igbo name the cause. Not Biafra. Ni abro Igbo that he is not an Igbo man. Now today saying no Igbo. I no Igbo. No Igbo is on trial. Igbos are not on trial. Kanu is on trial because man are where on agent. Oh when they say na why the Igbo na not be free. See, Sunday Igbo won't do better. Also, won't do better. Also, this man 2000. Also, won't the police. Also, police. Also, by Mohammed Mohammed airport. Also, go Madis. No, he did not. He was fighting, saying, "Na mendi behana the bandit na biabeha that he will defend na beha for defense. Not okay. If not, Niaga way of nation." That was what he was saying. He did not order for police stations to be burnt down or for policemen to be killed. He did not order for any sort of destruction. He was seen as a patriot that want to defend his people, not to kill or to kill them.
Yes.
So, Gomez, and when the leaders have their own, but had the strategic, have not achieved maybe here presidency and achieve with it. How we get Bonya or get hunting, we will get hunting.
Yes.
Mana onye nke anyị ije kpọọ ịgwacha ya osi na ntị nke a ọ pụtara ana o mebe ihe ọ chọrọ. Ị na-asị ya nee otu a si otu a rapị otu a na otu a emebili gị nwa ihe mebikwa obodo anyị ihe ọma nkwenu ọ chee nọ ihe mkpu ejiri iti mkpu ime mkpọtụ i block guzo sit be at home force banding mother and all that. What are you doing? You are dangerous. You are messing up the economy of the zone. You are scaring away investors. You are creating panic. You are creating bottleneck.
Pineleaf Estate and Properties. Ndenna onye ọlụ. Abịa n'ọlụ a, Shahara Pineleaf Estate and Properties.